My name is Lus Haberberger, and I am the CEO and founder of LUZCO Technologies, a small engineering boutique firm headquartered in St. Louis, Missouri. We do electrical design, civil design for electrical utilities and companies like that. I joined Vistage early 2018. Actually, my first meeting, I think it was November 2017, 4 or 5 months after I launched the company. And I didn't know what to think about Vistage. I thought, well, one, it was pricey for my willingness to pay at that point and my purchasing power. And then two, the time, right? It was a small operation. We were only 5. So we were doing everything. I was doing a lot of stuff from HR to accounting to billing to, invoicing, recruiting, plus project managing for my clients. So I definitely didn't think I had the time to join Vistage, but a mentor who I deeply respect and admire recommended that this was a good thing for me. And so I did it outside of my comfort zone and not knowing how I was going to, one, afford it, be able to afford it, and two, have the time to actually dedicate to it. But because of the trust I have on this individual, I took the leap of faith and I joined. And in the past almost 8 years, it has not only helped me professionally, but also personally. In the professional side, I gained so much knowledge from the speakers and ideas. My mind was just floating from ideas all the time. And then from the peer group, I learned a lot of best practices on how to run a business, how to scale it, how to sustain it. And also a little bit of therapy, knowing that you're not alone. Your problems are not unique. There are a lot of people not necessarily in your industry, but a lot of other entrepreneurs or CEOs that face the same problems that you face. So it's reassurance and reaffirmation that you're not alone and that whatever problem you're facing does have a solution and somebody has gone through it before, so you don't have to face it by yourself. And on the personal side, even just learning how to eat better, the importance of mental resiliency and health, drinking enough water, exercising, and how all of that combines not only for your physical attributes, but also your mental health. And how that translates into even running the company better. Because if you're healthy on the top, you have more energy to actually execute or innovate. And just to show the impact on Vistage on a measurable side, in 2017, we were a company of 5 producing 600,000 in revenue. Fast forward 8 years later, we're a company of 115 producing 17.4 million in revenue.
Wow. It has been such a pleasure to work with you over 2 groups, because you joined the small business group, and then 4 years later, or somewhere in that, 4 to 5 years later, you asked to graduate, and your mentor, who was a member of that group, Bill Hansen, right, left that group, and that allowed you to come into the CE group.
It was a perfect timing because I learned so much from the first group. They were all terrific, wonderful individuals with a lot of experience. But after a certain point, yes, I felt like, okay, I need new perspective. We're breaking the ceiling. We're breaking through that point where I felt like I need more. And that's when, yes, we discussed about moving me to the different group. And, perfect timing. God has a plan for us. Bill had just retired from that group, which opened an opportunity for me to join this group.
Thank you.
Thank you.